I'm Callum, and this is my ghetto bike check. Alright, so I've got the Federal 4 pieces on with the scratches from fucking up. Obviously ODIs. Got demolition stem. We the People A to B Ashley Charles signature frame. They don't sell it anymore, obviously. Got the Primo Kamikaze forks. The make 4 pegs. Well, I've got 3 the makes and 1 DK because I can't bother to buy the other make. Got demolition bulimia laced to a black sheep on the front with a Federal traction tyre, and on the back got a Odyssey V3 laced to a demolition Stay Strong with Odyssey Path tyre. Got some We the People Royals with some Animal Hamiltons with Federal Street Sprocket, McDill seat post, a clap seat. That's pretty much it, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got some random questions to throw at you.
Oh, great. Right.
You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Where was you born?
In a cave.
Alright, interesting. How long have you been riding for?
About 14 years now.
Send it from the womb.
Yeah, straight from the room, man. Straight out, come out of the mechs. Iced out the fucking bed, innit? You know what I mean? Right.
Alright. If you were stuck on an island,
Yeah.
what 2 things would you have and take with you?
I'd have like a massive swimming pool with like chicken in it, and like a lawnmower or something, just for fucking up with, I don't know.
A lawnmower?
Yeah.
Okay. Not trying to save the planet or anything.
Nah, man, you gotta mow your lawn and shit.
Shit. Any new tricks?
Just learn up ice to backflip to overtooth, but nothing new really. Same from day. Learning tricks, man.
Random one for you.
Yeah.
Rap music?
Rap music, man. Abet Productions. Go on that YouTube. That'll be on the link. Definitely go on that. Have a look. Should have something new up in a week or so. Just finished writing the bars today, so look for that, man.
Do you want to give us a little sing style?
Nah.
Okay.
Nah, because my voice ain't working.
Alright. Fair enough. Alright. Safe. Sweet.